Hey guys, what's up? It's no longer news that the Arbitrum airdrop was one of the biggest events in DeFi and the whole of last week. And there's been a lot of anticipation for a mask airdrop, Metamask airdrop. I mean, Joseph Lubin has mentioned this previously that there will be a mask token eventually for DAO. And all you have to do is to use the Metamask swap. And recently, Metamask launched a bridge as well. And they posted something on their Twitter yesterday reminding the users that the MetaMask bridge works for Avalanche, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, and so many other tier one blockchains out there. So, how to use the MetaMask bridge? I've been getting that question a lot. I'm going to show you real quick. All you have to do is download the MetaMask extension and log into your wallet. That is, create your wallet if you don't have one, or you import your wallet if you already have one. That is, if you're not already using the MetaMask wallet, and then open your MetaMask extension, your wallet right here. And this, for example, I'm on BSC mainnet. You connect your wallet right here. You are going to see the portfolio site. All you have to do is click on this portfolio site, or you visit the URL directly, which is portfolio.metamask.io/bridge. I'm going to leave a link in the description as well. So, or you can just click on the portfolio site, and it's going to bring you to this entire page right here, and it's going to be on the home page, the portfolio. And you can simply go to bridge. You can see the swap here as well, the stake and the buy. These are things you could actually explore, but most importantly the swap and the bridge. And I would recommend the bridge because it's newer at this point. So all you have to do is, once you click on the bridge, it's going to bring you to this interface, and you will select the network just like you do on any other bridge. If you want to bridge from BNB chain or from Ethereum, you can select, and if you want to bridge over to Arbitrum or Polygon or any other chain, you could simply do that, and you select the token you want to bridge. With a USDT, we have a number of tokens right here: USDT, USDC, DIETH. So you could choose your token, go ahead and select the receiving token. I actually just completed the transaction, and that is why I have this particular small screen here. I'm just going to dismiss it. So you could bridge USDT from BNB chain to Arbitrum or any other network. You could do this repeatedly. Maybe take out 10 days to do this. Maybe a minimum of $100 to $1,000. It doesn't matter. Make sure you try to create some volume, just in case there are a lot more criteria than you could imagine. So once you do that, you simply approve the transaction and go ahead with your bridging, guys. And that's it for this video. Ensure to hit like on this video, turn on that notification bell, and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.